The first game we get to play is Paul and Archie. I'm going to get an everyday activity from somebody in the audience, and Paul is going to improvise that everyday activity, while Archie will provide the sound effects for that everyday activity. So, has anyone got an everyday activity? Getting dressed. Hang on, getting dressed.
Feeding the cat.
Feeding the cat.
Having a bath.
And having a bath. With the cat and feeding at the same time. Oh, I don't know, I think let's go with... yes, getting dressed. That sounds the most everyday of those, I'd say. So you got that? Sort of getting up in the morning, getting dressed, that kind of stuff, Paul? Mm-hmm. With sound effects from Archie, right.
I think I'll put the radio on. My trousers.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you, very good. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yes, I thought that was very good. I give 40 points to Archie there and 40 to Paul, with a bonus of 5 because he did get one item of clothing on, which is what he was required to do.